Okay, we have 3 PC700 Komatsu. Okay, as you can see, this is the bucket. Komatsu logo. Original color with that's the teeth, bucket teeth. The pin with the quick couple. The arm. No welded. Okay, as you can see, the traveling model. Everything is good. The chain, you can see, very new. The old one is like this. The traveling model. Very big. Okay. That's the bigger guys. Okay, let me show you the capping now. Okay. You can see. Excellent performance. A little bit dirty, but very new. The display screen, the button, the joystick, everything is new, very new one.